Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of a delayed account on the application of Chase app. You will go to settings. Here in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When above you will search about Chase app and you will click here. Then we go to first stop, not here. In this page you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.